topic yethu yanamhlanje lalelani. Hi KVG, hi 3 to 6 Express. I'm a man aged 46 years old. I got married quite young to my first wife and we had 3 children. Unfortunately, she passed away and I remarried a lady who is divorced with 2 children, 10 years and 12 years, a girl and boy respectively. I took them in and raised them all in one home. I took them to school and provided everything. My children from my previous marriage were older, so they finished school and started chasing their dreams. Inini nemudzimai wangu had 1 child. I thank God we never faced challenges in our union, mainly because there were no external forces from our past relationships. My wife's ex-husband left her nevana vaine 4 years and the other one 6 years. He never communicated or called to check on vana or at least send school fees zvayo. Zvisinei vana ndakangochengeta vatokura. So hot topic yangu is, last year iyo my stepson was graduating. Akaita engineering degree and the college requested for 2 people only graduation. I was shocked to learn from the mother that mwana is asking for baba vake to come to graduation. He had been hunting him down for months and he finally responded. I asked my wife how she felt about this and she said, "Ave munhu mukuru hatingamufungiri." I thought that my wife would drive some sense into his head. I have been paying school fees for this young man since primary school into university and he decided to pick his graduation day to reconnect with his father. Ndakabatikana, but I had left room for disappointment going into such a setup. Graduation yakaitwa and I cancelled the surprise party yandanga ndaronga and the mother was furious. Ndakamuti, you can go ahead with the party but fund it yourself. Zvikangopera zvakadaro. Shortly after graduation, akatizirwa the girl was 3 months pregnant. Semurume mukuru. Ndakamuti atsvage basa neimba and will pay for the first 3 months. My wife begged me kuti ndisamudzinge, saying there is enough room for both of them here. I told her not in my house. I don't stay with adults, pano. This further strained my relationship with my wife. After 5 months, he came back home, saying his landlord is threatening to evict him because he hasn't paid rent. Kubasa arikuenda, but mari rent arikuishaya sei. After my back and forth with him and the mom about taking iye nemukadzi wake in, I eventually told him to get help from his father for rent or give him pekugara, same way he looked for him per graduation yake, just to teach him a lesson. That was the last time he came to my house or even visited. So his mother blames me and says I'm responsible for breaking her relationship with her son. She complains about seeing him zukuru pama status, and I told her, Endai Koko, I just don't want that young man pano because he's ungrateful. Am I to blame Vedari? My marriage is now suffering because of him. Was I wrong in handling this matter? Your hot topic yet here.
Well, we find out from Daddy Redu. Thank you so much, Manube. 0772162651 tinzwe kubva kwamuri arikuti yeah, my marriage is suffering. Was I wrong handling the situation nekuitika kwakaita zvino? Regatinzwe kuti imi muri kuzviona sei someone is blaming the mother kuti ndo vakatadza kutaura nemwana. Another one also coming in says mai vemwana vakajaidzwa kanava. This one also coming in says relationships are not about money, my brother. Don't be bitter about the boy finding his relatives. Another one also coming in says mfano terere. This one says stay away from so-called return soldiers. This one coming in makagonesa shumba murambwi. Linking up with us as well, guys. Vana moyo, to be honest, even the mother and the son are wrongly wired. No, this man is not wrong at all. Thank you so much, Royal Wenyasha. Let's find out who's here. Star FM, hello.
Hello, how are you?
Taswera Maswerao.
I'm alright. I want to also contribute to this topic.
Thank you so much. Please go ahead.
Alright. My 2 cents is like this. This man did quite well by helping his stepson. But when you are helping a stepson, this person should know that you are not supposed to come in a position that you want to disassociate the son with the original father.
Okay, stay with me here. Do you feel he was trying to disassociate, or he's feeling that it was wrong timing?
Why is it that this son is now requested for his original father to be there during the graduation?
Because he felt maybe kuti sezvo ndiri ini ndakabhadhara school fees from when he was young kusvika pakugraduata, he felt he was the man to be there, not the father.
No, what I'm saying is he did quite well. And he did quite well by doing that. But at one time or the other, it's the right of that son to get associated with the original father, right?
Was the timing, do you feel that the timing to reconnect with the father was right, doing it per graduation when someone else was paying school fees for you? He could have reconnected with the father, but maybe not on this specific event. What do you feel about that?
You see, sometimes you reconnect with people from different events, from a state events, from a happy events. You can reconnect from a funeral, you can reconnect from a happy event. So
Yeah.
Such an event of a happy event in his life, it was a big thing, like
But big thing here, I am Botswana.
big thing to him, to this son. He wanted to share it with a special person in his life. You know, my viewpoint, obviously, I think about just like nobody in general. Don't expect that over someone. No. He did quite well by helping. He did quite well by paying his fees and everything else. But I found out when I chose to claim out in the next and I graduation.